From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar has fallen a bit during the trading session on Thursday as we continue to see a lot of noisy action. At this point in time, I do think that the market is probably still looking for some type of clarity as to where the US dollar may go. Now, that being said, pay close attention to the 0.5850 level underneath, as it is an area that's been important multiple times. Furthermore, it's also an area that features the 50-day EMA as well as the 200-day EMA indicator. If we reach that area and then bounce, it's very likely that we could see more FOMO trading come into the picture. However, if we were to break down below the 0.5850 level, then I think you start to see the New Zealand dollar unravel a bit. And I do believe that sooner or later that could very well be the case going forward, especially with interest rates in America continuing to be stubbornly high. But we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. All things being equal, this is a market that I believe will continue to see a lot of volatility and choppiness, and in the short term is probably going to be a scenario where we just chop back and forth and try to figure out where to go next. If we were to close at about 0.6033 on a daily close, then we probably go a lot higher. The reality is this is probably more or less going to be about the US dollar and not so much about the New Zealand dollar. So as we continue to trade in this same consolidation area, I'll be watching for a breakout. However, if you're a short-term range-bound trader, you have two clear levels here.